Is the Galaxy S26 Edge dead? It seems that Samsung might be taking a completely different direction. Instead of continuing with the Edge series, new leaks suggest the company is now focusing on something called the More Slim project, a phone that could redefine how thin a flagship can really be. Recent rumors surrounding the Galaxy S26 lineup have already created a storm of confusion, and this new leak just makes things even more interesting. According to a fresh report going viral on X, the more slim phone could be an entirely new breed of Galaxy device, with major changes across the display, camera, battery, and body. The most eye-catching detail? Samsung is reportedly aiming to make this phone thinner than 5.56 millimeters, even slimmer than the Galaxy S25 Edge, which measured 5.8 millimeters, and just slightly leaner than Apple's iPhone Air at 5.6 millimeters. That's unbelievably sleek. This ultra-thin smartphone might feature a 6.6-inch LTPO OLED display, powered by Samsung's next-gen Exynos 2600 chipset and backed by a 4,300 mAh battery. Interestingly, the screen size is said to be just a little smaller than the S25 Edge, 0.1 inches less, but that's likely to make room for its insanely slim profile. Despite the reduced thickness, the battery might actually be larger, possibly a 400 mAh boost over its predecessor. That alone sounds like a major engineering win for Samsung. Under the hood, the Exynos 2600 is shaping up to be a big leap forward compared to last year's Exynos 2500, promising smoother performance and better efficiency.